Good day guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video, I will show you how to update your Wi-Fi drivers manually via Device Manager in Windows 11. So not to take much of your time guys, just go ahead and open up your Start menu. And after that guys, just type in Device Manager or just type in Dev, it will find it for you, and open the Device Manager within the control panel. Alright guys, so now we have the window with all of our devices that we can manage right over here in the palm of our hand. So now the only thing you need to do is just find your network adapter. As you can see, we have network adapters here. You can ignore the rest, we're not using that in this video. So as you can see, we have the family controller. In my case, this is my main controller for my internet. And also I have this, so this is just a Wi-Fi adapter. Don't mind this. This is just, not for this video. And after that, find your family controller or whatever name you have for your adapter. I assume that most of you people will still be using Wi-Fi's, even though some people prefer the connection straight through the wire. But yeah, just go ahead and right click and then go update driver. And now guys, you have two ways of updating. So the first one is going to be automatic. If you press this first setting, it will search, as you can see, your computer for the best available driver and install it on your device. And the second way is you can just do it manually, so you'll have to locate by yourself the driver for this specific adapter or for any other device, and then choose it, and then you can try and install it like this. So pretty much for most users, unless you're troubleshooting heavily, the first option is going to be the best. So just press on this, and as you can see, if your driver for your adapter is already up to date, you will get this message. The best drivers for your device are already installed. If not, if you will have the different output here, and it will say, okay, we have the update for this particular device, just update it and that's it. Also guys, don't forget, if you're looking to get your drivers updated and keep them up to date, you can also press search for updated drivers on Windows Update. So this will just take you to the settings, to Windows Update, and you can just press resume update and you can search for those updated drivers here. That's it for this video guys, hopefully you enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.